Here's the best way to avoid scams in 2026. So I'm going to show you an email that I thought maybe it's a scam, maybe it's not. I want to know more about it. I want to know if this is credible. I don't want to, lose my money on this. And this general way of avoiding scams can be applied across anything. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on this email. It's an email I don't recognize to me, and it has kind of like a weird thing to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot. Now you take a screenshot, you press the two buttons on the outside. Some phones are different, but it's always good to know how to take a screenshot. So take a screenshot of this, or the email, like what that email is, and then what the actual email says. Now that I have these screenshots, I know what the email looks like, but I don't want to press on these links because, as we know from the book, pressing on links is a no-go if you don't know who the sender is from. They can do a lot if you just press a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it right to ChatGPT. Now, I don't want to take the time to type everything out. So what I'm going to do is, hey, can you identify if these pictures I'm going to provide you are a scam or are fraudulent, or if I should really look into doing this? Now, it transcribes it, and it's going to give me some text here. But it's going to ask for the pictures, so what I'm going to do is, you can see in here, I have the pictures I can press. So you can take it from your camera roll. Sometimes you have to press, approve to let it have access to your camera roll, but that's safe. Don't worry about that in like ChatGPT or in Gemini or in Grok. And I'm going to press these buttons right here, like this, add two photos, and see how they're here? Now I gotta press the upload button. So once it uploads, ChatGPT is gonna give me a full summary whether it thinks this is a scam or not. So let's see. Bottom line first, it doesn't look like a scam, but it looks like an aggressive, low quality lead generation, and they're trying to upsell me. Now, that was really helpful because I was considering being a board position at this company. But now I know it's really something that's just trying to go down the rabbit hole, and as you can see here, just take a free call, funnel language. They're really just trying to get something out of me. They don't really care. So with that in mind, now I know I'm not gonna respond to that email, and I'm probably gonna move it to trash. So this can be applied across several different things. Whether you're doing, if you see an email, if you see an Instagram video, you can take a picture or screenshot, put it into here, into ChatGPT, into any AI model that you use, and ask it, is this a scam? What's it trying to get out of me? Is this actually happened? What is the data? What is the history behind this? And that's a great way to know whether something's real or not. And the AI will tell you if it doesn't know too. So if you should always be thinking, is this real or is this not? And if you don't know, then it's always good to screenshot it and put it into your AI model. So that's this video.